Today we're going to walk through how to create a trigger question for your assessment using Agolix. A trigger question is the one that will determine whether or not other questions are shown based on its response. First, select your question type. You can choose from binary, checkbox, options, or scale. For this example, let's go with options. Now, let's add your question. It could be something like, do you own a car? Make sure you assign an identifier to this question. For example, let's call this Q1. This identifier will be used to reference this question in the target questions later. Once you have created the trigger question, click Save. Now your trigger question is ready to be linked to a target question. Now that we've created our trigger question, let's move on to setting up the target question, the one that will be shown or hidden based on the response to the trigger. Just like with the trigger question, select your target question format. For this example, let's use a drop-down question. Enter in your target question, such as, what kind of a car do you own? And add options like sedan, SUV, or truck. Now, scroll to the Show Question When section. Here, select the trigger question identifier Q1 and set the condition for when the target question should appear. For example, if the answer to "Do you own a car?" is yes, then we'll display this target question. Once you're done, hit Save. Now your target question is linked to the trigger question and will only show up if the conditions are met. That's all for now. Thank you for choosing Agolix by Assessment Generator. Please check out our other videos to learn more about our software, and remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix. Have a great day!